Hello, good people. We have another module, contact record. This is a module with 1 unit. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your bottom right on your screen to get more free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. After that, we shall begin with the first unit. The first unit has only 4 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives, read through the notes so that you get the best out of this module. At the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. When a call has been logged, who can see the entry in the contact records timeline? Only you, all Salesforce users with the permission to see this contact record, and then managers only. So the right answer is C, true or false. Multiple fields on a contact record can be edited before saving. This is true. So I check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. Until then, bye-bye.